If you decide to get access to Vlueo today, you will also get free access to the powerful keyword generator and analysis software called Keyword Atlas. Let's take a quick look at this software. Here it is, we're inside of Keyword Atlas. Let's type in the word coffee, continue on from our previous example. Now what we can do is we can select the country, and we can also select the sources. We have up to 21 sources to select from, including search engines, e-commerce sites, video, as well as the Google Play Store and Wikipedia. And all the keywords are generated from all of these different sources using the auto suggest feature of each one of these sources. Let's go ahead and just select all the video for now and then click start. I put the word coffee in there and it'll go out and find hundreds of very highly relevant keywords that you could use to search inside of Vlueo, and some of these keywords you would have never thought of. As you can see, in less than 1 minute we got 1,204 keywords that we can actually do more research on within this particular niche of selling coffee makers. And we can sort by the position score. The position score will tell us where this particular keyword was positioned in the auto suggest drop down of each one of these sources. So the higher the actual position, the higher the position score. So this is a very popular keyword amongst all of these video search engines, coffee commercial, but now we can start looking at different stuff that we would never thought of. Let's say, for example, coffee roasting. Now, it even gets better than that. Let's say we want to see the actual search volume of these actual keywords. We do have a feature in here where we can utilize 2 free sources to get keyword search volume from Storybase, which is searchvolume.io, or the Google Keyword Planner, which is also free. We have videos waiting for you inside of Keyword Atlas to help you with anything you need to do inside of these different systems to get it working for you. But for now, let's go ahead and just try using the Storybase. So all you have to do is just click this button right here. It'll automatically bring you to Storybase, and all you have to do is right click and paste, click submit, and when it's done, you download it to your computer, select where you want to put it, and save it. Next is you simply grab the file you've exported and you just drop it in, and boom, you've got the search results right there. So these are the monthly searches provided by that particular website. And you can also do this for Google Keyword Planner. And now it even gets better than that. Let's say you wanted to do some further investigation on some of these actual keywords. For example, coffee roasting, coffee shop, coffee ice cream, things like that. And all you have to do is right click and you can send this over to the related keywords tool, and now you can get additional related keywords to those keywords from these 6 different sources. Click the start button and it'll start collecting more related keywords. Just like that, we have another 112 keywords we can work with, and just like the other tool, you can also get the search volume very, very quickly. And if you have troubles trying to come up with a good keyword phrase, we also have something in here called an idea generator. So you can select the idea generator, type in your singular version of your actual main keyword. Let's say, for example, coffee mug, and you can see it will automatically populate all these different keyword search phrase ideas. We can do a plural version as well. Let's say coffee mugs. We can do a year, say 2019, and we can have a region. A region can be absolutely anything. So it can be like, like New York, or it could be like city, or, in the park, just some sort of region that you want to define in your keyword phrases. So let's just go ahead and put New York. Now we can see in here all of the different phrases that we can select from. So we've got like how, why. So if we go and collapse them, we got regions, shoppers and conditions, best and top promos. So let's say best and top, best coffee mugs for. So if you actually double click that, it'll add it to your search list, and then you click OK. I'll add over here. So what's going to happen is in the auto suggest, the system is going to replace that little asterisk with a letter of the alphabet and gather the auto suggest keywords from all those sources. So now you have even more keywords. Keyword Atlas is an amazing tool that can give you thousands and thousands of keyword ideas that you would have never dreamed of. We also added some very convenient quick filters. At the very top, you'll see these little filter icons. All you have to do is click that, and you can see you can search within the column very quickly. For example, let's say you want to look for just keywords or just entries that have the word music, and you can easily remove that filter or you can use other filters like this, or you can actually define your own filters by manually typing them in here and apply it to the column. You can easily remove column filters, and we also have custom filters that you can manually define right here. As you can see, they will automatically show up. And getting your keyword data has never been easier. All you have to do is click copy, export sets of keywords, and if you want to export all of them, we give you this handy little export tool where you can use this for your Google Ads. So you can instantly select different batches of keywords. As you can see here, it puts them into different sets, and then you can do comma separated or one per line, and you can also add the matching. So there's the phrase match, the exact match, and you can easily just copy that list into your Google Ads very quickly. So this tool is extremely helpful when you're doing your Google Ads. And along with Keyword Atlas, you also get help tutorials to get you started right away using the keyword software.
Let's take a quick look inside the dashboard of Vlueo. So here we are inside the YouTube video search area of Vlueo. If we click on video search, you can get started looking for the videos you want to search and place your ads on. You can search for the videos by keyword, or you can filter by likes, dislikes, views, or comments. Plus you can search by more advanced criteria like video duration, license type, and more. The search results can reveal the level of monetization on the videos you find, whether they have pre-roll ads or overlay ads. The results can also show whether videos have any monetization at all. You can quickly preview videos and video ads. Say you're promoting a product on Shopify, for instance. You can type in the keyword Shopify on the top left, and the software will go out looking for videos that relate to this niche with monetization already on them. When the search results come back, you can see a thumbnail of the video you can click on to open up the video itself. You have the video title and a button to immediately redirect you to the video on YouTube. You can quickly select videos and display URLs for importing into your Google Ads video campaign. The monetization column shows you video ads that have appeared on this particular video. You can also export lists of videos to CSV or XLS files to use later on. Say you're choosing videos that have over 1,000 views or 1,000 comments, so you know they are active videos. I could put these filter requirements in and search again, and I get these videos coming up in the filtered search. If I want to save these videos to place ads on later on, I can click Save URLs and copy and paste them inside Google AdWords to look at later. Or I can download the CSV file which contains those URLs. Or I can save any particular search inside the software itself and give that list a name like My Shopify Videos. I can come back to review that list at any time, as often as I want. You can save your results to unlimited lists with Vlueo. If you go back to the dashboard, you can easily relocate the search we saved again with the list of videos we want to target. You can find videos relating to any niche, any time, and with any product. Just this one feature alone resulted in one of our marketers quadrupling the amount of sales he was making last month by placing ads on highly relevant videos. And there's more. You can also use Vlueo to find YouTube creators you can ask to promote or advertise your products directly. They used to be really hard to find, taking days, sometimes to come up with a list manually of suitable prospects to approach. Now you can find a list of them in seconds, all with a simple click of the Creator Search button. It will bring up an instant list of channels, content creators or influencers. We can now reach out to them instantly, as Vlueo will provide you with their social media links, emails and website links. You can type in your keyword on the top right again to search for the niche you want to find creators in, and narrow the results down to the channel you want to work with. You can even find out how popular these YouTubers are. You can look for what I call realistic YouTubers, or people with, say, less than 100k subscribers. By realistic, I mean these people are not so famous that they might ignore my message. I can also put in a minimum amount of views, so I know they have some audience, and can filter by categories like monthly uploads. You can get links come up in the search here that you can click on to open their channel, or we can look at other links they have on their video page. You can now open those links to see if they are active. Just like with the other video search, you can export the list of creators you looked at in the CSV and XLS files and come back and look at them later. Again, you can save the list of creators to an unlimited number of lists. There is also a Google Ads Builder inside Vlueo, so you can create your own Google ad campaigns inside the software quickly and easily, and your own ad groups. Vlueo will create an ad with placeholder images and texts for you in seconds. You can configure custom ad variables, configure a custom tracking template, and assign selected YouTube videos as ad targets. When using the software to build Google Ads for you, just select the videos you want to advertise on and then select Build Google Ad. It's as simple as that. You also get advanced video ads tracking and analytics inside Vlueo. Vlueo has a cutting-edge built-in tracking solution in its software. This first-party cooking tracking system is incredibly accurate. If you've been using a third-party tracking solution like Google Analytics for any amount of time, you'll know how unreliable it can be. And you need a reliable tracking system to run successful YouTube ads so you can kill off non-converting campaigns that are costing you money. Our beta testers also remarked on how easy it was to use, especially compared to the massive nightmare of features inside Google Analytics. You get to create unlimited tracking links. You get an easy setup tracking template supplied to you to paste directly into your Google Ads in your account, campaign, ad group or ad level. You get an analytics charting function. You can also export all your clicks and conversions to CSV or XLS files for offline analysis and detection. The algorithm we use will spot fraudulent or multiple clicks on your URLs. You'll also get an IP blacklist for your Google Ads account to reduce advertising costs and boost your conversions. The video ads tracking button allows you to track your conversions and see how your ads are performing at a glance. The setup is super easy. Just paste your tracking template directly into Google Ads. Here you can look at data like your visitors, your conversions, and your revenue per visitor. Inside the visitors grid, you can see at a glance when they visited. You can see the country, the browser, the operating system, or the language, or which ad group and creative they came from. You can see if any visitor resulted in a conversion or not. And there's more. Inside Vlueo, you also get access to a growing array of YouTube video ads. Here you can spy on your competitors and look at the ads they are using. You get access to a constantly growing list of all video ads and statistics. You can refer to these ads as often as you like to discover what does and doesn't work for you to make a positive ROI with YouTube advertising and drive down your ad costs. With this technology, you'll be seeing dramatic growth in the percentage of people viewing your ads, watching to the end and buying. You'll be saving a fortune on ad cost and increase your profit and ROI from each ad. And you'll be saving your precious time along the way. Right now, Vlueo is the golden goose opportunity you've been waiting for. The time for action is now. Take advantage of Vlueo now and harness the money-making power of highly targeted YouTube advertising to grow your business to levels you never thought possible. This special launch price is for a limited time only. Scroll down and click the order button now. Thanks for your time and thanks for choosing Vlueo.